Good morning, guys. Welcome back to Car Inspiration. Now, today is gonna be a really fun day because today is the day I finally pick up the tires for my new mags for Wolfy. If you haven't heard, I've been keeping Wolfy in hibernation lately, but now I'm gonna spoil him a little bit again, and we're gonna put on the new staggered set of AMG Monoblock. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is it. This is the AMG Monoblock staggered rims. Now, we just had this restored, and if you notice, it's a polished lip. Sorry for the dirt. It's a polished lip and it looks just amazing. Now I'm gonna leave the IG link down below for the one who restored it for us, but this is the name of the guy. And wow, I'm just so excited to mount it on Wolfy, and it looks amazing. I can't wait to see how it looks, and look at the difference of the wideness. Oh my goodness. Alright, let's go mount it now. Now, I've always wanted a set of staggered monoblocks for Wolfy, but I never really had the chance. I always had the regular squared ones. So yeah, I'm super happy that we had these restored, and I can't wait to see how Wolfy looks after this. In the car now. Hi, MJ. MJ's with me again. Now we're here in the car. We're gonna pick up the tires that I got from Achiever Sales Corporation. Now I only got two rear tires for it because the current monoblocks I have are actually the same specs that I need for my front because it's a square setup. So that's all I need, the two rear tires. So I'm gonna be attaching these on Monday. I'll be seeing you guys by then. I'm so excited how this is gonna look like on the new AMG monoblocks, and can't wait for how white. Oh, it looks so white. It's really good. Tires are loaded up. Couldn't fit in the back, no, Mang Jay?
Yeah.
Di kasha? Happy New Year, guys. Now I had to put this video on hold for a while because I was supposed to do it a couple Mondays ago, but things kind of changed plan. There was so much going on during the holidays so that I had to move the mags to next year, which is now. So again, Happy New Year. I'm gonna bring the Mercedes into the shop and we're gonna test fit the mag, so I'm pretty excited about that. Okay, so we brought Wolfy with us now. Yeah, I miss driving this car. Let's head there now. Finally here in the shop. Gonna put the mags already, test fit it. Hindi, pinarestore namin.
Restore yan.
Sa kaibigan ni Dad. Ganda, no?
Boss, Happy New Year, boss.
Welcome to my mechanic shop. Lots of nice cars here. Yeah, I haven't cleaned Wolfy in a while. He's super dusty. But I do plan to have him cleaned here while Wolfy is already here. Oh, look, golden hour. See, there's a beautiful SLC here. Oh, SL, sorry. Let's check out the interior real quick. Damn, I'm always a sucker for brown interiors. Looks so good. Hi. Oh yeah, while I'm here, dun, 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 meet our CE. This is our new 230 CE that we just acquired a couple months back. Now we're doing a lot of small stuff already, and as you can see, it's kind of stripped out. There's really a lot of stuff here that we're having done because the reason why we got this is because the engine runs so smooth. It's fully spec'd out, and if you look at the papers of the VIN number, it has all the bells and whistles. That's why I love it so much. But yeah, so far they're cleaning up the engine. We got a lot of new stuff to put in the car just to make sure when we get it back, it's clean, mechanically working first before we do a full repaint of the car to the correct color code, because this color code isn't correct. Alright, party time. They're gonna set up the mags already, put it down somewhere first, and we're gonna test one on Wolfy. I just found a cool W123, and it's a 200D. Oh, it's locked. But check out that interior. Wow, looks so good. You know what? I love the 123 body so much. Such a beautiful, classy spec of a car. They're currently fitting the mags now, and oh my goodness, look at the width difference of the square set and the staggered. This is so crazy. It looks so good already. I can't wait to see it tomorrow. Look at that. I can't wait to see this in the sun. Okay, so it fits well. They're gonna take it out now, and I'm gonna see Wolfy tomorrow with this brand new set of mags. Hi, it's the next day. So I just got news from my mechanic. The mags are fully in check already. They're already put on the car, so now he's just gonna bring it home to the house. I told him to have it delivered because I don't have a driver now today. So fingers crossed, it makes a big difference, the staggered look. Now, if you're wondering why I'm in Casper, the Miata race car, I was busy filming some TikTok videos for the Car Inspiration TikTok. I'll put the link down below for that. That is the exhaust sound of Wolfy. I can hear it from inside the house, and I can't wait to see it. Oh my god, guys, let's go. Okay, so we finally got Wolfy. Let's go check out the mags now. Oh my god, just look at that. Wow, the polished lip is so nice in the sun. Oh my goodness. What else? We have the front as well. Now it kind of looks lower for some reason. I don't know. I mean, what do you guys think? But let's check out the rear, which is the most important part. Let's go. Let's look at the rear. And then 3, 2, 1. Let's go down. Oh yeah. Oh, that looks so good. It popped more than usual, and I really like how it's very subtle, but at the same time it's still popping. So I really love the result of this, and especially the chrome lip. It's all just amazing, you know. Props to the guy who restored the wheels of this. You did a really good job. Thank you. Oh gosh, just look at that. And yeah, the reason why it doesn't look as crazy as you'd think is because this actually didn't need spacers anymore. To put spacers, it would go out, it would be more popping, but we don't really want that as well, because I'd have to roll the fender for that. But you know, I like it as it is. It looks great. It looks like a proper Grand Tourer. My AMG Hammer build, it's more or less complete. I mean, more of a classy spec build, but I'm happy with how it turned out. Finally finished. After all these years of owning Wolfy, 2023 was his year to finish. So thank you guys for watching this video. It's officially over. Happy New Year. Welcome back to Carspiration. Can't wait to film more shots of Wolfy again and do more vlogs with him this year. I hope you guys have a great 2023, and I'll see you in the next video.